Unfortunately, when someone's property doesn't sell, whether it expired or had to be canceled because it was sitting on the market too long, people start to get discouraged and they then decide that they'd rather just rent it and not have to go through the process of selling their home because they had a bad experience. Now, rental property can certainly provide a great source of income and wealth generation building. However, it also has its downsides. So let's just look at some of the downsides before you embark on a journey of becoming a first-time landlord. You have to think about tenant issues, maintenance costs, vacancy, especially if it's a single-family home, market fluctuations, regulations and legalities, initial investment, property management, uncertain income, liability, depreciation, and exit challenges. So before you embark on this journey, make sure you are aware of all the pros and cons so that you can put yourself in a great position.